Hi, I'm Lolly, also known as Happymummyshopper. Welcome to my channel. Here's my POV on the Velociraptor ride at Paultons Park. My kids had the front seat. My son kindly wore the GoPro and they love the ride, as you'll be able to tell in a minute. Please like and subscribe for more theme park vlogs coming soon. Enjoy.
Hello. Are you ready? Oh yeah, we go back first, don't we? Yeah. Oh god. I don't have the cushion anymore. Oh, someone took a bite out of mine. When you get hungry on the ride, what? Stop moving it. Okay, you ready? Sorry. Ice cream. Oh, and why are you putting your hood up? I feel like I've tried them before. Wait, like, imagine being in the back now. Oh.